In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Thunderbird to System Tray on Minimize. If you like keeping your desktop tidy while still getting email notifications, this setting is perfect. Minimizing to the System Tray tucks Thunderbird out of the taskbar so it keeps running quietly in the background, and you can bring it back with a quick click whenever you need it. Start by opening Thunderbird on your computer. Once it's up, look to the very top right of the window for the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked together, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open Thunderbird's main menu. From there, choose Settings. Depending on your version, you might see it called Options or Preferences, but it's the same place where all the app's controls live. When the Settings window or tab appears, make sure the General section is selected. You'll usually find General in the left-hand sidebar. If you're already on it, you'll see a long page of customizable behaviors and features. Scroll through the General page until you find the section labeled System Integration. This area handles how Thunderbird interacts with your operating system, things like default mail handling, notifications, and tray behavior. Inside System Integration, look for the option that says, "When Thunderbird is minimized, move it to the tray." Turn that on. It's typically a simple checkbox or toggle. Once enabled, you don't need to click Save. Thunderbird applies the change immediately. Here's what this does for you. The next time you minimize Thunderbird, it won't take up space on the taskbar. Instead, it will sit in your system tray, also known as the notification area, usually near the clock. New mail alerts and badges continue to work as before, so you won't miss important messages just because the window isn't visible. To bring Thunderbird back, click its tray icon. A right click on that icon often reveals quick actions like opening the window or quitting the app. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the tray icon right away, your system might hide inactive icons behind a small arrow. Expand that to reveal everything. If the system integration section isn't available, make sure you're running a current version of Thunderbird, since wording and availability can change across releases. And keep in mind that support for a system tray depends on your operating system and desktop environment. That's it. With one quick setting, you've streamlined your workspace while keeping email just a click away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient Thunderbird experience.